Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2021 GLB 250 4MATIC. This one is a Galaxy Blue Metallics. Underneath here it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one has the AMG line with 20-inch multi-spoke AMG wheels, AMG exterior, diamond style grille, a black MB text with red stitching Dynamica interior, carbon trim, ambient lighting, panorama sunroof, GLB 250, 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set all season regular floor mats, fold down rear seats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, illuminated star when you open the door, heated seats, memory seats, heated steering wheel, touchpad steering wheel controls, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, charging ports, touchpad for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLB has 3,237 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2021 GLB 250, visit us at feldmanimports.com.